Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we'll be making pineapple juice with ginger. So we're gonna get started. I just washed my ginger nice and clean, and I wash my pineapple too. I just get a brush and brush them. So I'm gonna cut them up and put in my blender, as you can see. And I'm gonna make my pineapple. I'm gonna blend it first, and then my pot is over there with the boiling water. So we're gonna get everything in the pot soon. And guys, remember to like, share, and give me a thumbs up. And please comment, please. I would like to know what kind of juice you would like me to make the next time I'm making juice. So always comment, please. So my ginger is almost finished. So now I'm gonna put it in the blender. I'm gonna get some water. Okay, so now not too much water, just to cover the ginger.
Just so there's no dead air, you know?
So you're gonna hear a little noise. So not much. Okay guys, my ginger is finished blending. So I'm gonna wait on the water. So now I'm gonna start getting my pineapple cut up. Compose. So guys, I'm gonna use everything to make the pineapple juice because this pineapple is overripe. So I'm gonna use everything. So I bought was to make the pineapple juice last week, but I didn't have the time, so now I'm doing it right now. And pineapple juice is very good for you, especially in the winter here now. It's very good for you. I love pineapple juice. I love my pineapple juice. I love my carrot juice. I love every juice. Natural juice is very good for you. Keep away cold. Give you vitamin C. Okay guys, all my pineapple is already cupped up. So I'll just wait on the water to boil, and then I get back to you. Okay guys, so now my water is boiling. I'm gonna put my ginger inside. Okay, so after putting my ginger, I'm gonna add my pineapple. And I'm gonna add 2 seeds of clove. Cloves is very good. So I'm gonna make this steam for at least half an hour, and I will get back to you with my finished product, okay? So thank you guys, and remember, like, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, so this is my pineapple. He has been cooled down for a couple of hours. Now I'm gonna strain it, and I'm gonna sweeten it. So you're gonna see the finished product in a little bit. Doing this now, it reminds me of when I was back home in Jamaica, and we used to go to my grandfather every Sunday afternoon, and he used to plant a lot of pineapples. When I say a lot of pineapple, he used to have a lot of pineapple, a lot of cocoa that we make chocolate tea with. He used to beat the cocoa and make his own chocolate. And when you drink that chocolate tea, my gosh, if it burn you, oh no. You know your lip is gonna scorch. Because sometimes when he make it, you see that fat on the top from the chocolate. So okay guys, this is my pineapple juice. And I'm having 2 cups of sugar I'm gonna put inside. You could just sweeten it to your taste. You can put more than that if you want. I'm just putting 2 cups. You sweeten it and it is not to your taste, you can add more, add to your taste. And I use brown sugar. I think brown sugar is much better. I'm going to throw it in my jug. So guys, this is I'm gonna put this in the fridge. So guys, you can put it in and make it well cool. It's very nice. You get your ice and you drink your pineapple juice. You can drink it cold and you can drink it hot. Now I'm gonna share 2 glasses. Oh, I should put the ice first. I'm gonna get some ice first. I'm gonna pour 2 glasses. Okay, I'm gonna put the ice in first. So guys, you tell me if you make this drink and you like it, you make a comment and let me know how you enjoy this drink. Or if you have another way of making it, just make me a comment and tell me your way of making it. So okay guys, this is my finished product. And you enjoy. Thank you for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe. And ring the notification bell. That's the next time I upload a new video, you guys will get it first. Okay, thank you. Bye.